Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Pearson Vue Trick for the NCLEX RN exam or the NCLEX PN exam. So this is going to be a trick that I and many others have discovered to be 100%, I shouldn't say 100%, 90% true in assessing whether you have passed the NCLEX exam or you have failed the NCLEX exam. So let's get on with today's video. If you want to gain more information about nursing or to improve your nursing knowledge in general, please consider subscribing down below. I would greatly appreciate it. The Pearson Vue Trick is a way of you figuring out whether you passed or failed the NCLEX within 1 hour of you writing the NCLEX exam. The first thing that you need to do is you need to wait 1 hour after writing the NCLEX exam. 1 hour is the minimum you need to wait because you need to have them process your exam. Now, this may take a little while. Sometimes it takes 2 hours. Sometimes it requires you to receive a certain email from Pearson Vue saying, here's what you need to do after the NCLEX. Essentially, you need to wait 1 hour or until you get that email in order for you to do this trick to see if you passed or not. So first thing you gotta do is wait 1 hour. The second thing you have to do is to log on to your Pearson Vue account. So click at the description down below. I have a direct link to the Pearson Vue login page where you need to go to. But essentially, you basically have to answer all the questions as if you're gonna write another NCLEX. So put in all your information, put in all the correct information, except for when you go to bill. So for your billing information, you got to change your credit card information so that you don't actually get charged. So you have to change the security code of your credit card. If you do that, that way it will give you a pop-up. And depending on what the pop-up says, it will determine whether you have passed or failed the NCLEX. This, like I said, has been proven to be 90% accurate for test takers. So this is pretty accurate in seeing whether you have failed or passed. So once again, you wait 1 hour, you go onto the Pearson Vue website, you log in, you put in all the correct information except for your credit card security code information. So the back number is usually like 453. That 3-digit number, change that to like a 452 if it's 453. Change that and try and submit a time for you to write the NCLEX. So bill yourself as if you were going to get charged for writing another NCLEX. And then once you do that, it will give you one of the 3 pop-ups. I'll have a picture right here showing you exactly what the pop-ups are. So essentially, if you get a pop-up that says, our records have recently indicated that you have scheduled an exam, another registration cannot be made at this time, that means that you have passed. If it says our records that have indicated you have recently scheduled this exam, please contact your member board for further assistance. Another registration cannot be made at this time. You have passed the exam. If you have failed, however, it says the payment was declined. Reason, invalid security code. Contact your credit card company or use a different credit card. If you get that message, that means unfortunately you have failed the NCLEX. However, there is another message that you may get, which is the candidate has currently test results that are on hold. A new registration cannot be created at this time. This means that you haven't waited the 1 hour or approximately the time. Essentially, you haven't been waiting long enough for your NCLEX exam to be processed yet. So you need to be more patient and wait more frequently or wait longer for them to assess whether you have passed or failed the NCLEX exam. If you can give this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. It took a long time to make and it would mean the world to me because it would share this video with others and I would gain more viewership. If you're able to subscribe down below, that would be great as well. And if you have any other comments or concerns, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer each and every single one of you. So with that being said, that's how the Pearson Vue Trick works. That's how you know if you passed, you failed, or you need to wait longer in order for them to process your exam. We'll catch you in the next video, guys. See ya.